Start scanning by placing the scanner tip parallel to the occlusal plane. Press the push button once to start scanning. Hold scanner still until the first scan data appears on the screen. Make buccolingual movements while pulling the scanner forward. Ensure that the tip is always parallel to the scan surface. When scanning prepared teeth, all surfaces, including the proximal walls of each tooth and the proximal walls of the adjacent teeth, must be captured. Capturing the full length of the margin line is mandatory. This is done by mild up and down movement of the scanner. If certain areas are skipped during scanning, it is possible to rescan them and capture the required data. Ensure the margin line is completely visible in the 2D view. If it is not clearly visible in the 2D view, it will not correctly appear on the 3D virtual model. When scanning the anterior area, pull the scanner out of the mouth. Rotate it outside of the mouth and then overlap the previously scanned area and complete scanning. Ensure the scanned tooth is at the center of the 2D screen. Adjust accordingly to maximize results. When scanning implant sites, 2 scans are required. The first scan is of the tissue surrounding the implant to capture the emergence profile. Like scans of prepared teeth, it is mandatory to capture the proximal walls of the adjacent teeth as well. The second scan is with a scan body attached to each implant. The scanner is programmed to recognize the scan body, so it should be placed with the pointed area facing the lingual side. Press the push button once to stop the scan. Scanning bite registration requires that the teeth are in correct occlusion. Place the tip as far distal as possible and make up and down movements, pulling the scanner forward, making sure that its tip is parallel to the scan surface. Make sure that the gingival margins of the teeth are captured to enable easy alignment at a later stage.